Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have the essentials, VSCode and Node. JS, now begin, open a project folder and create index. HTML plus app, JS to host your script. Install ESLint extension and initialize a basic. ESLint-RC linting catches obvious issues. Once done, open the built-in terminal and run npm init to create package. JSON, this enables scripts and package installs. Make sure to enable autosave or hit Ctrl+S frequently so you don't lose quick edits. Now wire up execution and debugging so coding becomes productive. Create a VSCode/launch. JSON to run Node or attach to Chrome and install live server for rapid browser reloads. Run npm run dev or start the live server. Configure prettier and ESLint rules and set editor. Code actions on save to format and fix issues automatically. This saves time. Use breakpoints, step over, and watch expressions during debugging to inspect variables. Once configured, your editor becomes an interactive development. Wrap up by adding automated tests and a production build. Install Jest and add npm test to run unit tests. Then configure Vite or Webpack for bundling and add a production script like npm run build. Once done, run the build and deploy artifacts. If something breaks, first read the terminal or browser console logs, check ESLint output and the Node or browser version mismatch. A common fix: delete Node modules, clear cache, then run npm install. This often resolves dependency or version conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.